Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pepe coin. Now, Pepe coin are planning for a mega burning of this coin. Now, Pepe coin, definitely in the next 2 years, this coin is going to massively hit. It's going to rise. People will make more money with Pepe coin, which right now we all know this coin have already hit over 5,000% increase within the past 2 months and 2 weeks. Okay, but I'm telling you, this coin, if they continue with the project they have at hand, if they continue with all their plans and more listening coming for Pepe coin, I believe that it's going to be one of the top coins in the nearest few years. Okay, now the coin for me is one of the best to buy right now because it still have some zeros, which means if we are investing any amount, even $1 investment will give you thousands of Pepe coin. And the future prediction for this coin between now to the end of 2030 is between 1 cent or to $1 or 10 cents. So calculate whatever amount of coins you want to buy to 1 cent. If it finally gets to that point, that means you'll be making huge amount of profit for yourself. So Pepe coin should be among the top 5 coins you need to hold. And if you are investing on Pepe coin, then you definitely need to invest wisely. Yes, a good investor invests wisely. Don't feel that, wow, this coin have already risen in the next few months, it's going to rise more. It doesn't work that way. Crypto industry is totally different. Forex trading is totally different. This online financial investment trading are different from the normal investments you see out there. A coin might rise $5,000, sorry, 5,000% today, but it must still take another 6 months or 1 year. Then you see this coin, that same coin might not rise. But when it starts rising, within 2 years, you must see the coin pumping to 10,000 to 100,000% price pump. So for me, like we all said, Bitcoin is still going to reach $100,000 one day. That is what we believe. Bitcoin is going to reach or even go more than that. Pepe coin for me, it should be one of the coins one need to invest. Buy and hold Pepe coin. Even though if it is few coin, but do not buy much because the coin have already pumped. The coin is not massively pumping right now like the way it was when the coin was launched. But still holding the coin is very important. In fact, I normally tell people the top 100 crypto coins should be coins one need to really focus on. If you must invest in small cap coin with a lot of zeros, hoping they are going to delete a lot of zeros, then focus on the top 100 or maximum the top 200 coins. You can invest in other crypto coins like Shiba Inu and see how well ranked below, but make sure you focus mostly on the top 100 and 200 crypto coins because they have high market cap, trading volume, burn rate, interest, and people can see them. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.